If you are ready to delete your Udemy account, here's the quickest and clearest way to do it. Open your browser and search for Udemy. Click the official site, and once the home page loads, log in using your email and password. After logging in, look at the top right corner of the screen and hover over your profile icon. When the menu appears, select Account Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage everything related to your account. Inside your account settings, scroll through the left side options until you find the one labeled Close Account. Click it, and Udemy will show a reminder that deleting your account permanently removes your course access, your data, and all activity linked to your profile. If you're sure you want to proceed, scroll down and click Close Account. Udemy may ask you to confirm once more. Just approve it, and your account will be deleted immediately. And that's all it takes. Your Udemy account is now closed, and you'll no longer receive any emails or notifications from the platform. If you ever want to return, you can open a brand new account anytime.